Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will learn default flow of HTML document, and we will also know how block level and inline elements flow inside the document. Web element in web pages follows normal flow, and that is the CSS default here. So there are two kind of elements. One is block level element and another one is inline element. Block level elements like P and div tag flow from top to bottom. So for example, if we consider a paragraph tag, and if you place 3 paragraphs, let's say this is first paragraph, second and third one, and if you see, the paragraph flows top to bottom. So you cannot see a paragraph placed side by side, right? So that's the default flow. So in a normal flow, paragraph flows from top to bottom, right? Inline elements flow from left to right. So the examples are bold tag, italic, span, all these stuffs flow from left to right. Suppose in a paragraph, if you place multiple italic tag and they flare from left to right, just like words in a paragraph. A block element can hold inline element, right? A paragraph can have multiple span tag, or a paragraph can have more than one bold or italic tag, because a paragraph is a block level element, right? Inline element like bold and italic cannot have block level element. Say for example, if you have an inline element like this, this is italic, right? Inside you cannot have a div or a paragraph like that. Simply you can't have block level element inside inline element. So a block level element can hold inline elements, but inline element cannot contain block level element. So that's what here we explained. Now let's see this with an example. We will create a HTML with some block level element and some inline element, and we will apply box style to both of them and see how the flow happens. And that's the default flow. We can call that as a normal document flow. Now let's go to the demo. So here is our HTML document, normal flow.html, and that is opened here in the browser. Let's save this. And here in the browser, you can see there are 4 paragraphs, and the HTML document contains here both block level elements as well as inline element. So there are 4 paragraphs, and we can say there are 4 block level element, and each block level element is containing I tag, that means italic tag, and italic tag is an example for inline element. If you consider only this third paragraph, you can see it contains inline element 1, 2, 3, right? There are inline elements inside the paragraph. Now let us apply the black level style for the paragraph. And you know all this from our previous video. We said border style, border color, border width, content width, padding, as well as background color, and we are applying that to the paragraph. That means we are applying these styles to the block level element. Let's save the content, and you can see there are 4 blacks here. Even though there is space, let's consider this first paragraph. Even though there is a space here, the paragraphs are flowing from top to bottom. Because a paragraph is a block level element, it will not be placed side by side. It will go from top to bottom, right? We defined style for paragraph. We defined the width 200 pixel, and the paragraph is flowing from top to bottom. See, there are plenty of place towards the right, and the paragraph flows top to bottom since it's a block level element. Now let us define style for the italic tag. So here we placed I and apply the style to all the italic tag. So here also we are using border style, border color, border width, and a small 1 pixel padding, then somewhat a green background color. And if I save it, you can see the elements or box, whatever we defined, that goes left to right. So paragraph is flowing top to bottom. There are 4 paragraphs. Even though we defined width, they are flowing from top to bottom. No matter whether there is a space towards the right. By default, in normal flow, paragraph flows from top to bottom. Inline elements like italic, bold, span, all those stuff flows from left to right. Right here in the example, you can see how it is flowing from left to right. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.